Hello everyone, welcome to the part 7 of the portrait tutorial series. This is your friend Shubhajit and welcome back to your favorite channel, The Art Adventure. In this tutorial, you will be knowing how to shade realistic ear properly using charcoal. Before making this, I searched on the internet about the ear anatomy and I got some information. I'll be also sharing all those with you throughout the video, so that you can understand the construction of ear more prominently. Here I have started the process by applying charcoal powder using synthetic brush. I mark out all the mid-tone first and then gradually I increase the depth using soft charcoal pencil. To remove any harsh line of charcoal pencil and for a better soft transition, I have used paper blender. If you just follow the anatomy of ear, then you can understand that upper part of the ear is rounded in nature and at the same time we have a small bending. And when light comes from the back end side, it will also create a little shadow underneath of it. Here I am just trying to create this shadow, applying more charcoal over there. This part is mainly known as scapha. Just beside scapha, we have one folded area that is basically anti-helical fold, and it is also known as anti-helix. This part is little bit upper lifted, and that's why highlight this area and remove charcoal further using kneaded eraser. To highlight this anti-helical part, I shade around it. If you really like my channel and find my tutorial useful for you, then share with your friends. That would be really a great help to me. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given below in the description box. Here I am redefining the outer line of the ear, as it was not defined properly, and I also applied a background that will help us to highlight the helix, means the upper part, more effectively. I try to capture as much as possible. Take care of each and every small detail and also the transition in shade. After completing the upper portion, I come to the lower part, that is called lobule. Lobule is the small soft rounded part at the bottom of ear. As we don't have any sharp edge, so we also need to maintain soft transition here. For the highlighted portion, to lift up charcoal, I mainly use kneaded eraser. For realistic shading, Kneaded eraser is really very helpful tool, as you can mold it in any shape. You can also make sharp pointed tip with the help of this and can do the highlighting. I hope you will be benefited by this video and will improve your skill to make realistic drawing. If you like this video, make a big thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and bell icon to get notification of my upcoming videos. In next part, I'll share how to shade clothes and can make realistic effect. So stay connected, we'll come back soon with this video. Thanks for watching.